I really liked that the school offered so many shadowing opportunities and volunteer opportunities, whether that's a health fair, whether that's school screenings, or even just any outreach event that I could do. I really like that they offer that to us early on.
My favorite part is how close we are to our professors and how we understand exactly what our professors want from us and how they can help us.
Another thing that's really unique is the clinical experience. I feel like it starts really early with RMU students, and from their first year they're already observing clinical experiences, and then in their third year they're being sent out to other sites within Utah where they kind of have a lot more exposure and see a lot more patients.
Well, we actually have the Eye Institute just right across campus in another building. So we are always welcome there to shadow any doctors. We even have some current clinic rotations in there right now that allow us to shadow patients throughout the day just to see what the flow is usually, what to expect from an exam.
In the school, we're always there to help each other learn, help each other get better at our skills, and just to be there for support. Outside of clinic, we all enjoy each other's company, we do fun activities, and we built this culture where we have fun, but we also work really hard.
If you want to feel accepted, if you want to feel like you have support from every angle, come here. Everyone just wants to help, have you be the best version of yourself and help you excel to get to that next step in your career. This is the place you want to be.